going on, guys? This is Jason with Glitch in the System, and I just want to say thank you all. And you're probably wondering why I'm thanking you. It's because today I logged into my YouTube account and I saw that we have 1K subscribers. So thank you all for subscribing and watching the videos. I appreciate it, and it tells me that you guys want to see more videos. So speaking to that, I've been not keeping up with my videos on YouTube or even on my Udemy courses and even my blogs because of all this coronavirus work from home stuff. It's been a little difficult because I've been having to kind of homeschool both of my kids because basically the teachers are just like, here you go, here's all the assignments that you need to do and you need to turn them in without giving them any real instruction. So that doesn't work too well with kids. If you have kids, you'll understand that. So I've been having to deal with that a lot, and then kind of just getting used to this work from home situation and working with my team, who is super busy right now because I work in healthcare. So obviously healthcare is bananas right now. All right, so let me just let you know a few things that are coming up in the pipeline that I'm going to be working on. So for my Udemy courses, I'm going to be planning to work on automating API tests and then do a series on accessibility testing on the web. And finally, I'm going to try to bring another front-end automation course, either probably Cypress or one of the newer frameworks that are out there. As for YouTube, I'm probably going to be making some supplemental videos that go along with my courses. So if you took one of my Udemy courses, I'll teach you some like just one-off situational scenarios of how to do particular things like using front-end automation or for API testing or whatever the topics I'm covering in my Udemy courses. So this will be supplemental information because I'm not going to go into depth in my YouTube videos on how to do those things. But yeah, so look forward to those courses and those new videos. Make sure you hit that bell icon so that you get notified when there's new videos coming out. And once again, thank you all for supporting the channel.